Welcome to AFSVision, a next-generation platform for commercial lending. Today, I'll be highlighting IRIS, an integrated reporting tool that provides a lens into the commercial portfolio with a clear focus. IRIS has a set of AFS pre-configured views intended to help our clients maximize the performance of their commercial portfolios. We highlight the areas that our clients should be focused on, including growth in revenue, customer retention, risk identification and mitigation, and risk monitoring. Upon logging into IRIS, the user will see a set of pre-configured standard views, which we will cover in a separate session. Today, we're going to demonstrate the build your own dashboard functionality in IRIS. So let's walk through an example of creating a chart. First, the user will click the More Options button and then select Add under the Dashboard section. The user will then name the dashboard and page based on the content to be included. In this case, we're going to focus on unused balance, so we'll name the dashboard Unused Metrics. Then the user must select the data set to be used in the chart, which for this example will be facility level data. The user will then create a card by naming the card, unused balance by deal size and collateral. The user will then select whether they want to create a chart view or a table view. So today we'll be creating a chart view. Then the user will select the chart type. For this example, we'll be selecting a bar chart. And then the user will select the time period, which in this case will be current month to date. Next, the user will select whether they want to array the measure by the X or the Y axis. For this view, it will be the X axis. The categories which we'll be using to array the unused balance end are the deal size grouping, and then we will indicate that we want this to be a stacked bar chart and select collateral as our secondary grouping. And then the user will select the appropriate measure, which in this case is unused balance end. Lastly, the user can indicate which fields are to be included in the data table that supports the chart. The user can move the desired fields over to the display section. Today, we'll be selecting unused balance and the relationship manager field. These will be added to the pre-selected fields that are already in the display section. Once the definition has been completed, the user can click accept and the chart is rendered based on how the user defined it. The user can enlarge the view of the chart by clicking the up arrow. The user can also view the table that the user defined upon creating the chart. If the user identifies a specific record that needs additional attention, IRIS provides a link directly from an obligor obligation record to a screen in AFSVision servicing. From here, the user can see any additional information about the record or take action to alleviate an issue or problem. This is AFSVision IRIS. You've been using a loan system design for the last 30 years. Let us show you a system design for the next 30 years.